tell you what an awesome God you are. The words are not enough to tell you of our love, so listen to our hearts. Praise God.